I don't think so. I think that, again, I'm optimistic about it. I think that when I'm seeing the trends and I'm seeing the vaccines now being, approved, it's only a matter of time until we get a fourth vaccine in Canada. The numbers are going to be into the millions now of delivery in Canada and into Ontario, and I think we'll be able to have vaccinated a substantial proportion of the population by the time we open up the schools in September. That's a long time between now and then, so 6 months. So I'm optimistic that we'll be able to have a much more normal return to school this year than we did last year.
So, it's interesting, Chris, because over the weekend I was working for Matt Harris on Saturday morning, and then when the show wrapped up, I kind of went about my weekend, and I had two things that I did this weekend that were out in public, okay? Aside from my normal routine. So I went out, and I had an essential thing, and then I had something that I chose to go and do that I wouldn't consider to be essential, but I went and did it, and I thought, do I want to go do this? Do I not want to go do this? And it turns out, from my perspective, that the non-essential activity, the nail salon, was way safer than going to Costco. So let me just give you a description of my experience. I booked